Good morning, traders. Welcome back to Motilnet. It's Thursday morning, and we're looking at a little bit of the momentum action of what we've been talking about the last few days. So this morning, what's playing out basically to what we discussed is Dragonfly Energy, DFLI. If we go back a couple days when we had our discussion on Tuesday, basically we saw the rip up, and then during the market, everything kind of faded out. We were saying don't take an entry up at 180. We said the entry area should be around 170, 75. Look at that. We came right to our support lines. That was a perfect spot, and everything held nicely. If you were going in higher, we said that you should have a stop around 157. If you were coming in around this area, around 170 or so, you'd probably want to stop 150, 147, 148, 150, whatever. You want to give yourself that 10 or 15% area to play with, right? You need some back, and you don't want to get wicked out. Anyhow, Wednesday was a little bit more consolidation, and things started looking a little bit hairy. If you got scared, you could have popped out. Our low into the after hours is only 158. And in the after hours, obviously, you can't stop, so you keep going. 153, but it didn't hit that 150, 147. Then we started getting some buying this morning. So let's take a quick look and see what our fib tails can tell us. So we're going to take our largest on the reversal this morning, and we're going to look for upwards. So we're above the 1, which is $1.82. We're looking for the 168, which is $1.99. So we basically just are tipping into that area right now. And our next profit zone would be 2.25. So if you got in around 157, 160, 199 is a great place to take some profit. If you want to go for the next level, go for 2.25. Maybe move your stop up to about $1.70. Possibly on the open, we will see something to the effect of coming back at around the closing, play here, and then come back up. So I'm targeting around 225 for the first take profit. And if we get a nice runner, 250 and maybe 270. When we get to 2.25, I'll move my stop to around $2. If we get to 250, I'll just follow the fib lines up. All right, so guys, good luck with this. Let's see what happens. Now, just the last thing, of course, there's always potential for full breakdown, right? So if it does completely break down and we get a major sell-off right into the open, you want to make sure it's going to hold above the 160, 170 line. If not, we might come back and retest. And if we start getting into the pre-market lows, it's going to fail out. So being up here about 180, 170, get your stops in somewhere around 164, 167, 168, because that will be tested. So maybe just a little bit lower. Maybe like there, like 162, 164. You understand? All right, guys, good luck. Just make sure you play safe. Get those stops in.